When your DirecTV receiver stops working properly, there are three main areas to check: signal strength, power status, and cable connections. Let's diagnose these issues systematically. Signal issues are the most common DirecTV problems. They often occur after storms or during outages. Recently, South Carolina subscribers experienced widespread signal loss, and St. Louis had an NBC outage in March 2025 due to storm damage. Channel disputes between DirecTV and content providers can also cause channels to disappear. Here's a crucial fact. Experts say that 90% of DirecTV problems are caused by bad cable connections. This makes checking your cables the most important troubleshooting step. Ensure all connections are secure, look for damaged cables, make sure coaxial connections are tight, and replace any worn cables. The status lights on your DirecTV receiver provide important diagnostic information. If the blue power light is missing, you have a power problem. Check your power outlet and connections. If the red network light is on for Genie clients, it means there's a communication issue with the main Genie box. Finally, ensure your TV is set to the correct input. This is often overlooked, but essential. Check that your TV input matches where your DirecTV receiver is connected, whether that's HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or another port. Use your TV remote's input button to cycle through the available options. Remember these four key diagnostic areas. Check your signal strength and dish alignment, verify all cable connections are secure, examine the status lights on your receiver, and confirm your TV input settings are correct. These steps will identify most DirecTV receiver problems. When your DirecTV receiver isn't working properly, the first solution to try is a power cycle. This simple method resolves many common issues. First, unplug your receiver from the power outlet. Wait exactly 15 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the system. If power cycling doesn't work, locate the red reset button on your receiver. It's usually on the side panel or behind the access card door. Press and hold the red reset button until the receiver restarts. For Gemini Air models, hold the button for 20 seconds or use your remote to navigate to settings. You can also refresh your receiver through the DirecTV website. Log into your account and go to My Equipment and Services to reauthorize your receiver. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset by holding the DirecTV power button for 20 seconds. Warning: this will erase all your custom settings and preferences. For sluggish receivers, try rebooting twice in a row or running a system test. Using an RF remote instead of infrared can also improve responsiveness. DirecTV offers signal saver technology to continue watching via broadband during weather-related signal loss. Keep your receiver updated with the latest software for optimal performance and new features.